Marcel, did you poo in the shoe? Oh, Marcel, bad. Oh, God. Sorry, Barry. Little engagement gift. Sure you didn't register for that. Who died? Who died? Roll him over! Oh, come on, roll him over! Oh, well, you know, it wasn't Dexter, right, Marcel? Because... Marcel?
How could you lose him?
I don't know. We were watching TV, and then he pooped in Monica's shoe.
Wait, he pooped in my shoe? Which one?
I don't know. The left one.
Which ones?
Oh, those little clunky Amish things you think go with everything.